home in New Zealand right now. I'm going back to Brisbane tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna show you guys our incomplete house tour because we're renovating the house, slowly renovating the house now. And this is my sister. So that is the beginning of our house, and this is just a garage that I think we have bikes in or something. And yeah, so that's where this car goes. My mum's car goes into that garage, and this is our house. So this is our main front door, but we never go through here. Instead, we go through here. So there's so much stuff here. This is an outside toilet. That's a door to the garage, and this is where we always come in from. And see all that paint? And the front, okay, it is concrete. This is the laundry area. We haven't done anything to this place yet. As you walk in, you see this. This used to be a door. That's where we're renovating. And this is all concrete. This used to be carpet. We're going to change it to this flooring. And so this is the kitchen area and like a lounge room. Here, this used to be like there used to be a cabinet here, but we're gonna get rid of all of this and the chimney as well. And yeah, so there used to be cabinets here. We got rid of it. And this is the kitchen, which we haven't done anything to. I'll show you. I think we took out all the stuff. There is this, it's supposed to be like a pantry, but this is what we're using it as right now because we don't need it. But there is a door to the garage, so we are going to close this off, as you can see by that. And I'll show you guys. So everything here hasn't been touched. This is just gym equipment. And that hasn't been touched. The wallpaper actually came off already. We took out the wallpapers, and that was the door. Used to be a door. They've painted that, as you can see from the marks, but that comes off, and I think they're going to take that off when they're almost done. And the other side of this is the main lounge. I don't think we're going to do much stuff to this. Don't mind the mess, but I know that those white cabinets are going to come off because our TV does not fit, and it's raining, so all our washing is in here and here. So this is our main front door. And I came through there. That's just part of our hallway. And this way to the bedroom. Actually, I need to show you guys that from the main front door is my mom's like office kind of thing. This is where she's probably gonna do her tattoos. It's just all of that. Just a bed in here. I think they've done everything they need to do here, but they've painted that already. I'll walk you guys down the hallway. This is the bedroom sides. I think this is gonna get painted, I think, or already painted, I'm not sure. But yeah, this is one of the toilets. This used to be a door right here, but they changed it to that. And look at our fancy seat cover so we don't get cold. This is my sister's bedroom. The bedroom's all done now. It's a mess. I made that mess. But the carpet all throughout this way is going to be the same carpet as this. But she doesn't have her doors on there. It looks good though. Her bedroom's all done. That's my sister. Our teddy bears. It's just a mess because I'm here. Yeah. Go back through this way. This is our main bathroom, but we're renovating it, so that used to be the door, but we're gonna put a shower in there so no one uses this bathroom. It's like a skylight. And yeah, there's just the tub. So into my room we go. It's all pink because this used to all be wallpaper. My room is like exactly the same as my sister's, but like the opposite. This is gonna get painted white. All of my walls are gonna get painted white, and these windows are gonna get changed. All my doors are gonna get painted white, and so inside is all just cupboard stuff. This has been painted white already. I painted it before I left to go back to Australia. And the carpet in here is gonna get changed to one just like my sister's one. Go out of my bedroom. This is our only shower right now. Welcome to the wheelhouse. Hi, mother.
Hello.
So there's all the bikes.
So that was it for the house renovation and the clip of our family business. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to click that like and subscribe button.